Welcome to the Townes of Mount Carmel, located in one of Niagara's nicest areas. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom bungalow boasts a fully finished basement with its own walkout and no rear neighbors. Hi, I'm Gil Bellafleur of BLT Niagara at Revel Realty, and this is my newest listing. For more information or to book a private showing, call 905-980-1823 or visit bltniagara.ca.